Still modeling steel mesh fences manually in SketchUp, piece by piece, copying, rotating, aligning. It takes forever, and it's easy to mess up. Now with just a few clicks, you can apply a pre-converted Enscape asset, fast, precise, and fully reusable. Once I've converted the fence model into a custom Enscape asset, it just shows up right here in my library. Now I can drag and drop it into any project, whether it's a factory, residential site, or a landscape design. No more modeling segment by segment, just align it once along the axis and you're done. Best part? If I ever want to change the fence design later, I just update the asset and it changes everywhere instantly. Huge time saver. And when rendering in Enscape, using assets makes your project much lighter because it's optimized for polygon count and materials. This is a game changer, especially for large-scale projects. Smoother performance, fewer crashes. That's the real power of Enscape assets. One model, used everywhere, ultra efficient. You can download this steel fence asset for free, link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more high-quality, lightweight Enscape assets every week.